Hey, welcome to Neversink Farm. I was going to talk about beets, and I'm going to talk about beets, but it reminds me of one of the biggest mistakes we made at Neversink Farm, which is something probably should talk more about, but we all like to talk about successes rather than failures. But I think our biggest failures over the first few years, this is a very long time ago, was we were adding lots of animal manure and compost, and we were also checking pH and stuff. But one thing we didn't pay attention to, and that was soil balancing, to make sure it has all of the elements that it needs. Because elements can't be created from nothing, right? For the laws of physics. So if there's not enough copper or boron, it has to come in, right? It can't be created because it's born in stars elements. And the reason beets remind me of that is because we were having a lot of trouble with beets. They were very small beets. They just weren't getting to size. We'd have trouble with the greens, that the greens would get diseased really easily. They wouldn't look very nice. They wouldn't be very green. Yeah, we just had problems. And it wasn't until we started balancing the soil, making sure it had all of those elements in the right amounts, that suddenly, not only the beets turned around, but everything, got better. But depending on what, is deficient, that's, those certain vegetables are gonna show it more than others. And I think for us, it was like celery and beets were two of the biggest that were problematic. And maybe some carrots, but maybe not so much, but those two. And so, it reminds me now whenever I go and I look and I'm like, holy moly, because what you want is, a nice, beautiful sized, round beet, because then you only need 3 of them and you have a beautiful bunch, at the market. You want some nice greens, right? And, that's just wonderful and perfect. And, we get pretty much 90% of them just looking just like that. And then you get 3 in a bunch. We used to put like 12 in a bunch because they were so small, and you call them baby beets and stuff. And we still sell baby beets early, but we're not doing it because they're not to size. That's what I would say is the number one lesson for us about beets. And, and to let you know about a big failure that we didn't pay attention to early on, when it is so important. It's like water, putting in water infrastructure is important, putting in a wash station infrastructure, putting in a big nice hoop house, and the soil. It's not just about compost. All of that's important, but without your elements, it won't just appear. It won't fall out of the sky and make your crops better. Anyway, thanks for watching, and until next time.